it is Friday, October 2nd. Good to see you. We're studying fiction. Hopefully you got a library book, hopefully it's fiction, to read every day for about 15 minutes. Today we're showing a little short film called Presto. I can't show it to you on this instructional video, but I'm attaching it to this today's lesson, so you can actually click on it and watch it. I want you to be thinking about the plot diagram, the exposition, the rising action, the turning point, the falling action, the resolution. And when you're thinking about these things, think about where they fall within this movie Presto. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click past the movie. This is the plot diagram, and the exposition is the introduction of the characters, and in the Presto it'll be right at the beginning, and there's two main ones, okay, the magician and the rabbit, okay, or bunny. The rising action is conflict that leads up to the turning point when there's a major change in one of the major characters, and these two characters are kind of both the main characters. They have equal roles, so there's lots of conflict, and you'll see them go back and forth with one another until one of them has a major change, and that's the turning point or the climax. When that change happens, the character has a realization about something and makes a pretty positive decision, and then in the falling action, it happens right after the turning point. It's usually very, very short, and it usually combines with the resolution, and you'll see that happen. It's really short in this film, and the resolution is right there at the end, and it kind of combines with the falling action. This problem is solved, okay? And then I want you to be thinking about the rabbit or the bunny and the magician, how they connect with one another negatively or positively. And in the outsides of the Venn diagram, this is where you would think about things that the magician does or how he's like. And this is on this side, you're going to think about how the rabbit or the bunny is. And the middle is how they're alike. Okay, and I will tell you they both want something, and that's kind of how they're alike. So after the movie, I want you to think about the main conflict in the rising action. How was it solved in the falling action, and what is the theme? Okay, the theme is the lesson learned. How does this video make you a better person? If you can answer that question, that's your theme. Okay, what's the lesson learned from the video? What did you learn from the video? How did watching the video make you a better person? Okay, so those are the things I want you thinking about today. There's nothing to turn in. I just want you thinking about plot, looking at the two characters, what do you think about them, and think about the theme. What did you learn from the video? What life lesson did you learn? And make sure you watch, obviously, the video Presto, and then you can analyze it from there. And then we can look further at fiction next week. So there's nothing to turn in today. Just make sure you watch Presto and think about plot and the theme. Okay? Have a good one. Talk to you later.